Hi everyone, this will just be a quick how-to video on replacing a headlamp or headlight on a 2016 Honda Fit. It may be similar in other years of the same model as well. So first, access your hood area, and we're going to go work on the driver's side here, mainly because it's a little more accessible to show on video, and you will still be working in the blind unless you end up removing more components of the car, but this is definitely doable. So again, come over to the driver's side and you will see the electrical connection, which is right here. You see the wires leading to it, and all you do is pull that off. There's no clips or anything, and it'll stay there so you won't lose anything. Okay, so we'll remove that. And then you'll see this rubber gasket going around here. So there's pull tabs. You just, if you're having a tough time, you could just pull all those tabs. Okay, there we go. And then it may be a little tough because it's around that housing of the bulb, but you won't just grab that seal and remove it. There's a spring clip, and that's what's holding the bulb in actually. Let's see if we could get that in focus. So right to the right here, you see that screw right there. That's what's keeping that clip in. So it's the other side that we're going to access. There's that little clip that you're going to push in on and then pull up towards you. So I'm going to push in on that. I could show that on the video. And then that clip will just slide out of the way and that bulb will now be loose. So just grab onto that and remove it. The way to orient it is with this tab, this single tab facing up, and the other two are at the bottom. And an easy way to know that you have it seated correctly is if you clean your headlamp assembly here. It might be tough to show on the video, but through there you'll see the little tabs, and when you push the bulb through you'll see that they line up. Okay, I see that it's seated. Again, that single tab of the bulb is on the top side, and I'm going to push my clip back over the housing assembly, and this is the part you're kind of working in the blind. So you kind of push that spring clip right up the top of the base, push in and then down, and you'll feel it seat. Okay, and I know, and I can move the bulb, kind of trying to move it around. I could feel that that's seated in there and not moving. So now we're going to put our rubber seal connection around that housing. Push that back in. And there's little arrows on that just to tell you that what way it's supposed to go on. There's really no top or bottom to it. Okay. And then just push the electrical connection back on. Again, this is, kind of a feel thing here, but that should just slide right on and push in. And there you go. That's how to replace the low beam and high beam. It's a combo bulb on the 2016 Honda Fit. Hope that was helpful. Have a great day.